Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is called jungle braids, and I tried this first in my bathroom. So I decided to try it on an actual hair, or maybe a human head, but no one has actually booked this style yet. So I decided to try it on my new mannequin head, Lucy. So this is a new trend in town now, and the first time I saw it, it was on TikTok. I'll put her name down because I don't want to pronounce it wrongly. But yeah, she did it first, and it's kind of similar to the butterfly or passion braids, but they're different. It's similar when you look at it, but it's different, I would say, because for this hair you can just use the regular braiding hair, but for like the passion braids, I see stylists who use like the free tress and other type of braids. So they're similar in a way, but they're different, I would say that for sure. Yeah, so I tried it first in my bathroom. I kind of liked how it looked, so I decided to try it on my mannequin. The video is quite explanatory, but I feel every like I would say, every braider has different patterns of braiding, and for this one, I feel what works for me is braiding tight and also leaving, like, when you braid 1 2 you leave space, 1 2 leave space. I mean, I'm not perfect. I would like to perfect this style to my is it content? I don't know if that's correct, but I would like to perfect it in my own way before I actually start, taking this style as a service. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And do you think you are going to try this style, or would you like to try this style? And let me know, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, guys, before I go, please, if you are going to try this style, do not dip the whole braid. That's just the only thing. You can just get a towel and massage like the hot water around it, but please do not dip the whole braid in the hot water. You can actually dip the ends, but not the whole braid, because it's just gonna be a hot mess. So maybe in my next video trying this, I will try dipping it so I can show you guys what it looks like when it's dipped. But I tried it initially when I did it in my bathroom. It was not good. So that's just what I'm gonna advise.